All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. It has been a while since I've uploaded a video. Just been very busy with work, so I do apologize. Now, if this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name's Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today, I'm out here on the southwest side of the Las Vegas Valley, just west of the 15, right off of Silverado Ranch. So Silverado Ranch is going to be running this way right here, which is west, east, and about 1.5 miles you hit the 15 that goes from south to north. So from here to Harry Reid International, you're probably looking less than 15-20 minutes depending on traffic. So here today we're going to be focusing on Spectrum Trails by D.R. Horton. This is their express model. What that means to you is what you see is what you get, and everything's all included. So there are 4 different floor plans to pick and choose from. Today we're going to be exploring 1344 and also 1437, but we're going to focus on the 1437. Now they do have the 1319, and also they do have the, what else we got here? Oops, hold on, let me take a look at my cheat sheet. We got one more, hold on. 1417, that's right. Now, as you can see, they are building tons of townhomes. It's going to consist of about 160 right now. As you can see, there's a lot of construction that's going on. They've just built this side right here. We've got phase 1. They're working on phase 2. We have the 2-car garage here. Believe it or not, there are no SIDs and lids. That's right. Okay. Now HOAs are going to run you $102, but that should be bumped up to $113 here. Now the pricing. Okay. So let's focus on this 1437 model. 1437 model, you're going to be picking it up roughly about $380,000. It's going to be a case-by-case basis, because the way that they sell their product is that they do not give you a price where you can build from ground up. It's a spec build, which means they pick everything for you when they're about 60 days to completion. At that point, you come in, you see what you get, you buy it, and there it is. The reason why they do that is so that way they can enforce the appreciation. So as you can see, this is not really a backyard or anything like that. So let's go take a look, see what we got. Oh look, you get a Ring doorbell. You got a keypad here. So as we come in, you got the sales office, which is that 2-car garage that we talked about. Here we have a nice open floor plan. Looks like we have some white shaker cabinets. And take a look at this. We do have the microwave and the electrical stove. You got the refrigerator here. Nice cabinets. Let's take a look at the pantry. Pantry is a pretty decent sized pantry. Orange peel texture. Bull nose, 1/2 inch. This part is a little bit tight right here. Alright, so let's take a look at the island. We have 1/2 inch hard surface countertops. This looks like a Petrofina. And then we have our dishwasher. Stainless steel undermounted sink. And does this come with an RO system? Let's take a look. Looks like there's a filter here. So this is filtered. I wonder if the... Oh, then we have a filter here, so that's good. Looks like we have a LVP on the flooring. 8-foot ceilings. And then we have our LED lights. Here's the bathroom here. Quarter bath. Wow, they were already playing this Christmas music. Oh, look at this. I love the fact that they're still using these rocker switches right here where you can actually replace it to dimmers. Extra storage underneath the staircase. Now let's make our way upstairs. Let's see what we got. Alright, we got the standard carpet. Coming upstairs. And now we have a loft. Nothing but good vibes only here. Now this is going to be a fast video because it's such a small unit. Oh, look, our air filters are right there. Smoke detector. And what do we have over here? Bet you it's the laundry room. Washer and dryer. Love the fact that we do have a drain pan right here too as well. Really nice. What kind of appliance is this? Oh, Whirlpool appliances. This is gas. Majority of the homes out here will be gas, which I don't know why that stove was electric. So this is going to be the primary. Now remember folks, this is going to be more like a starter type of home. This is something that you're not going to live in forever. Now, one of the incentives that they have for especially FHA financing, it says on their paperwork that you can literally get up to 5.99% on the interest rate. So that's a 6%. Also, another thing is that one thing I want to mention to you guys, we are about to launch a new program where if you actually have bad credit, okay, and you're looking to buy a house and you do have some money to put down, okay, or you've got money to put down but then you do not have, you know, what was I going to say? Oh yeah, I just lost my train of thought. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, I'm going to go back and start all over. If you have bad credit, all right, but you got some money to put down, I can get you a house. We have a new program that we're going to start to launch, okay? Now, let's just say if you do have good credit, you do got some money to put down, but you don't want to pay these high interest rates fees, right? I mean, I'm talking about 7%, 6%, 5%. What happens if I told you we can help you find deals up to like 3%, right, on your loan? That's right. Now, there's a way to do it, all right, and this only applies to certain properties. And if you guys aren't interested, let me know in the comments below, because this is a program that we are actually putting together, and we've already have a bunch of testimonials where we have helped clients get 3% interest rates, 3.5%, 4% interest rates, amortized for like 30 years. Some of these are locked in with the balloon payments up to 5 years. And what this means to you is that you can always refinance out of that deal, but you're already starting off with a low interest rate. Now, if this is something that you feel that you want to learn more about, let us know in the comments below. And, you know, we're going to launch this thing here shortly. If you guys want to be the first ones to get dibs on these properties, you know, let us know in the comments below. And like I said, you know, we're going to have a sign up sheet. I don't know if it's a sign up sheet, but I'll probably have a link in the description, but I don't know. Just let me know in the comments below. I don't even know what I'm saying. Today's just one of those days where I'm just kind of like delirious. You know what I'm talking about? Just like you just been tired all day long, but that's just how it is because it's nonstop. Alright guys, I do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. And if you guys are actually interested in this property, give us a call. We definitely love the opportunity to earn your business. Also, one more thing. Right now, if we do use the lender, we also can get up to like $5,000 towards incentives, right? So imagine that if we can get some closing costs paid for and get you your 5.599%, whatever it is, whatever's, right? Get you a lower interest rate than what it is. Give us a call. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits with Simply Vegas, and be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.